Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to sharpen a knife with whetstones. Got a variety here, they're all double-sided sharpening whetstones. And this is basically your polishing and your honing stone for the end, and then a couple pieces of leather for your final deburring of the blade. Okay. So to get started, going to have a towel laid down, going to move your finer grit stones off to the side because you don't need them right now. This knife is a Damascus steel chef knife. It's pretty good quality, and it does have a pretty good edge on it, but I'm going to resharpen the edge for you. So today I won't need the coarsest grit, but if you need to completely redo an edge, you would want to use your really coarse stone. So I'm going to go to our finer stone and gun oil, spray down the blade, or in the block, okay. Keeping a nice 30-degree edge to there gives you a nice blade. It's going to retain a good sharpness to it. So you want to keep your hands holding the blade consistently in the right angle and just moving away from yourself. And then you can do the other side of the blade by keeping the same angle on the opposite side, just by rotating it and dragging it slightly forward for you. And then you just keep repeating until you get to your next grip where you can feel that it actually is starting to get a nice sharp edge for you. Moving on to the next grit. On each one of these stones you want to be doing maybe 20 to 40 crosses across the blade on each side, so you're getting even, consistent sharpening. Close attention to keep a consistent angle so that you maintain a good sharp edge right up to the blade. Test here. Sure. You can see that is a and then for the last stage, deburring, it just takes the little metal filing fibers that are on a very microscopic level and just pulling them off by going backwards across the blade. And it gives you a nice, good, sharp edge. And that is how you sharpen with a whetstone system. Please subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.